Eva Trades.
Hey, welcome to the Risk Management Simulator series. And whoa, dude, let's go check out some charts and the rule book. I'm sinking. And trade in a simulator to test your strategy before trading real money in the market. Welcome to Eva Trades. We like to have fun here. This is a look at my progress so far in the simulator. This is the risk management simulator. We're focusing on risk, trying to perfect it. Well, I don't know if you can get perfection, but definitely trying to make it better. So these are the game book rules I've established so far, and I like to cover them daily. So my daily max loss is $400. I cannot take more than 4 positions to start the day. If I hit my daily goal of $200, I can choose to keep trading. If I hit my daily goal and then give back half, I'm done, and I can't take more positions than my max loss allows. My progress so far, and these big red days here, they don't look red here, but these are days where I lost money, are days where I either broke the rules or had not written the rules yet. And so now I've followed the rules the last 4 days. I had to quit yesterday because on the last video because I hit my daily max loss, and hoping today that I can recover that, or some of it anyways. So let's give that a shot. So far the stocks we have here on watch for the date of November 9th, and I'll push play. We have 5 minutes to go until the market opens. The stocks that we have are Mac is number 1, the leading gapper in the market this morning. And let's start out by looking at the larger time frame. So the hourly time frame, we have an inside bar and a second inside bar. So inside bars tell you that there's an equilibrium on a smaller time frame. And you can see here we had the high of the move, low of the pullback, little lower high. And if we can zoom into this a little more, we have a little lower high right here. It's lower than that last high. And this is, I'm going to consider this a double bottom. We broke 1260 by like a couple of pennies here, but bulls bought the dip, and we're trying to hold that support. Bulls would like to hold this and see a move back up through the highs to break this equilibrium bullish. The chances of that, I'd say, are favoring the bears more than the bulls. Bulls tried here to break out and failed, and bears took over. And so now we're pretty close to that support. So if we do break that support, we're looking down at, we have a pivot here at $11. That's a psychological level. Let's go look at the smaller time frame here. Not get too hung up on the large time frames. Yes, $11. Up here we have $12, and that's where the volume weighted average price is. Now, bulls look like they're trying to salvage what they can here. Bears looking for a lower high. Anything below 13.95 is a lower high. So bulls really need to see a move here and then a pullback, a higher low and a higher high to break through 13.95. But I would be impressed if the bulls could pull that off. We have 3 minutes till the market opens. So it could happen at the open. You get a lot of volatility, a lot of buying and selling. So we'll see. First things first, we want to see a trend change on the 1 minute time frame. So a higher low and a higher high would tell us that the bottom is likely set on the 5 minute time frame. So we're going to look for that here in a little bit. KALA, lighter on volume. So we're going to need to see the volume come in. It's trading below the VWAP. Larger time frame wise, it's just not very good looking overall. See the bulls tried to break here, but that big red candle, so we failed. It's really choppy price action. So unfortunately there were only 3 stocks on the gap scan this morning, and these are all 3 of them. Here is ARRY. I don't even know what, I know we have a level at 565 on the 15 minute. Bulls want to hold that level, forming a lower high, topping out at $7 so far on this bounce. 15-minute higher low and higher high. No, sorry, hourly higher low and higher high on ARRY. So bulls want to hold 1972. Could pull back on the 15-minute all the way to that level and still have a higher low. Last time we formed a higher low on the 5-minute was right here at 2022. Anything above that is a higher low. A bounce from here, we'd be looking for an equilibrium. Anything's possible here. This thing seems to jump around a lot. So that candle there, 70-cent range on it, 63 cents. So a minute to go till the market opens. Failing again on MACK. So not a lot of hope for the bulls there, but like I said, we're about to open. Could see some volatility. I want to get above 13.15 on the 1-minute time frame and hold in order to take a trade. KALA, I'm going to need to see the volume come in. We are consolidating below the VWAP. And same for ARRY. I would like to see a little more volume. One quick look at that larger time frame again. We are back testing that pivot, kind of. Yeah, I'm a little iffy on ARRY and KALA. I think my primary focus is going to be on MACK, barring consolidation. If it starts to consolidate, I'll have to wait. It looks like first thing here, it might be trying to do that, maybe. Big drop on ARRY. Big drop. Okay, here we go with MACK. I can't trade in that first 1 minute, so I have to wait. I will look at my stop loss parameter and make sure I'm ready to go for when I can trade. So we couldn't break 13.15. $20 seconds left till I can place a trade. Oh, KALA on some good volume here. Pretty choppy though. Don't know that I would trust it. I'm going to take a shot at MACK there. Even though it didn't break 13.15, I'm in with a starter. It's just complete and utter silence right now. I'm like, man, is this thing going to hold up or is it going to fail like yesterday? Like the one I traded yesterday was a lot like this and it failed. I'm going to try KALA also. Just kind of hoping on hope here. So that's it for now. I'm risking $200 on the day. Going red to green now. I'm going to get out of Kayla over there taking my profits. Oh man, I should get back in it actually. I'm adding now on Mac. That was a pretty nice pop. Get back out of KALA. Let's see if I can take some profit. I was looking at Kayla when MACK popped up like that, so I missed my opportunity to sell. If MAC turns red, I'm going to jump out of it for a loss. I'm actually going to move my stop loss up right now. Not holding up too well. It's one of those things where maybe I should have taken profit already, but I'm looking for a bigger move. I'm going to go ahead and sell half of it there just to be protective. Looking for more. Getting kind of greedy on this one. Selling it there. I'm going to jump back in it right there. Multiple trades here. Selling that. Taking a loss over there. See if we can get another. Oh, that was rough. Trying to buy that dip. If you can call that a dip, that was more like a flush. I'm going to exit one of those. Get back out there. Pretty hard loss. Selling half. Selling the rest there. Sell, look for a dip. Sell again. Let's look for another dip. Is it halted? Not yet. Let's see if it's going to get halted here. It's really whipping around, isn't it? Oh man, you hate to see that, you know. A nice move, making nice money, and then giving it back like that. I never did hit my daily goal, but I was certainly green. And that's hard to see. Maybe it turns around from there, but wow. Yeah, that's rough. I mean, I'm green on the day, but just barely. I'm gonna try this again. We'll see if we break through the high. I'll buy a dip there. I might play this kind of aggressive. I think it has potential. Oh man, look at that pullback. See, that's not what I was expecting. That's not the move I was looking for. I'm gonna get out. Just don't like it. If it were to drop, I would take a huge loss. Let's just see what happens here. I'll watch it for a second. No. Looking for an equilibrium on the 1 minute time frame. Took a little side trade there on ARRY. Watching it. I want to see a drop on Kayla. Maybe it's not going to drop. It might just break straight through. Ah. Should have saw that coming. I should have seen it. Oh boy. I wanted the drop first. I didn't get it. Instead, it broke out, so I jumped in it. And I should have realized, you know, when that happens, it's usually going to come back and fail. So I should have taken the profit quick. I know better than that. And I'm going to get stopped out here on ARRY. So that puts me down. Gosh, that's my max loss, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, man. That's a real heartbreaker. Well, it is what it is. I mean, I tried. You know, it just didn't work for me today. I really thought I was going to, you know, see something good happen there, and it just didn't work. So now I have to stop. I'm down $404. You know, in that last video, I had to stop too because I hit my max loss, and it was a good thing. I sat and watched the price action on the last video, the last day that I traded when I hit my max loss, and man, it was just continued chop, continued downside, and if I had kept trading it, I would have taken some pretty big losses. Now, Kayla looks like it has potential to break, but, you know, we keep seeing these fake outs. Have the tightening range here, but man, you know, it's really hard to trade this kind of stuff. So that's going to be it for me. I mean, I'm not going to sit here and keep taking losses. That's not going to be good. So unfortunately, I think I'm red in the account. Simulator trading, following the rules, but still red. Down 380 in the account. That's just the way it goes sometimes. All right, well, we'll try to hit it again here. I'm sure it's going to turn around. It's just a matter of hitting the market when it's hot. So we'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.